Agentic banking is all about augmenting and automating both consumer financial management and banking operations. Banks have been struggling to take the personalised experience that an in-person banker can provide and bring that into the digital era. Agentic banking enables dramatically improved efficiency in the bank, mid and back office to reduce cost, while also offering that premium tailored experience at scale. Building on our experience of working with banks over the past decade, today we're excited to show you what we've built, a platform that brings the vision of agentic banking to life. By leveraging Bud's financial intelligence engine that creates rich customer-level insight, we've created a system that not only automates processes, but enhances every customer interaction. Let's dive in and see how our technology works in action. So, we need customer context. The core part of our platform is the ability to process financial transactions to extract all available information for all customers. We then combine it with more data points like product parameters, customer metrics, and more. We service it in Drive, which is our customer data platform. As you can see, we're able to extract multiple data dimensions and show how it is changing over time. Categories, merchants, income, spending, competitors, and more. We can then use this data to create segments of interest, which can be done using natural language by giving it business objectives. For example, as you can see here, where we have given it an objective to increase deposits. This is also how we gradually introduce autonomous automation, such as helping to uncover new segments to meet that objective. For example, looking at customers with lazy cash. We can then share those with other systems, augmenting or even replacing existing workflows and triggering actions. When we put that in motion, Drive continuously monitors the performance of actions against your objectives and suggests subsequent actions in an increasingly autonomous way. So when we think about the consumer experience, it gets elevated with more personalised content and guidance. But that is not all. We can easily apply the same approach to understanding personal finances to a single customer. We surface this through interfaces like Yaz, a generative AI chatbot that is able to answer questions about personal finances with true insight. It understands your spending patterns, your financial health, and can make suggestions, like in this case the order of debt repayment. But it is also connected with a consumer agent, which is the true gateway to consumer agentic banking. Bud's consumer agent takes the understanding of personal finances and autonomously follows set objectives, taking care of your customer's money in a seamless, safe, and optimal way. And even in its initial form, it can already generate considerable returns. What happens when the consumer agent is activated can be easily quantified. It takes a set of objectives and leverages its understanding of personal finances to achieve those. In this case, we are looking at avoiding overdraft fees while maximising the return from interest and making sure that all financial obligations are met. This has a tangible impact on individual finance, potentially meaning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of gain per year for each consumer. These benefits apply across demographics. Our analysis shows a positive impact to consumers in low, medium, and high income brackets. Our consumer agent is a true machine learning model we have developed and trained at Bud using reinforcement learning. Based on our understanding of a customer, it uses customer context and transaction history as a starting point. It then acts as a continuous control system, constantly reassessing whether or not to perform an autonomous action based on forecasting the future and changes to its observation space, the consumer's transactions and balance as they happen in real time. At present, its action space consists of being able to move money between two accounts to ensure you can pay bills and have normal spending patterns while avoiding overdrafts, pull you out of overdrafts before being subject to fees, and all the while maximising your returns with higher interest rate accounts. For consumers, agentic banking has the potential to provide a truly self-driving financial life. It can be anything from optimizing cash flow, enhancing your credit score, finding the best way to manage debt, and getting the most out of available financial products. For the bank, virtually every area of activity stands to benefit from agents. Imagine a world where banks are no longer burdened by the inefficiencies of human-driven processes. Instead, they're powered by clusters of agentic models that handle everything from internal workflow, real-time pricing, and digital customer segments of one. Customer operations have already changed forever. This isn't a far-off sci-fi concept. It's the future of banking, and it's time we start building towards it. The future of banking is not just digital, it's intelligent. By progressively integrating agentic models into every aspect of banking operations, we can create institutions that are leaner, more competitive, and more attuned to the needs of modern consumers. If you'd like to join us on this journey, let us know.